Mihang'o-ini ya kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Peter Tum ni oritie thukuru cia guthomithania urigitani cia KMTC kunyitanira na anyiti itemi. Araragio hindi ya kuruguria mbathi njeru, matawa na waki wa irathi 6 thukuru-ini wa KMTC mwena wa Gatundu.
Iko juu. Hii mkono ingine mufanye hivi.
Tum ni ugite madagitari aria matanyitwo gwikinyia guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa Cuba ni kiguni kinene hari motungata na mathomo ma urigitani.
We want them to come and mentor our doctors so that they are able to realize that we all need to work wherever we are.
Tum ni ethiite na mbere na kuria kaunti ciothe inyite mbaru uthomithia wa mbeu njithi hari uthuthuria, utungata wa muingi na motungata ma kiriu kuona mbeu njithi ni nyitaga itemi nene hari uthii wa na mbere.
The ministry is going to give that healthcare service that we require to give to our Kenyans. So stay rest assured that when you qualify in the next 1 or 2 years, you will be applying to come and work with us so that you can use your skill to provide the UHC services that we need in our population, for our population.
Tum ni ugite ni mekugacirithia mathukuru ma KMTC niguo gutigirira ni magacira hari mathomo ma urutani. Girifotera Kameme TV. Jita Wajiko wa Wajiko.
Haya.